In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make dukkah, a really tasty addition to so many things. I'm always looking to see how I can add more nutrients to something. Well, this dukkah is beautiful on top of steamed greens, just to snack on its own, to dip a piece of bread in a lovely extra virgin olive oil and then into the dukkah. So the first thing we're going to make with the dukkah, it's basically seeds, spice seeds and nuts. So I'm going to use 200 grams of hazelnuts. I'm going to pop them on the tray and into the oven for about 8 minutes to roast. These are the spices I'm going to add to today's dukkah. I've got 15 grams of fennel seeds, 10 grams of caraway seeds, 10 grams of coriander seeds here, the cumin seeds, and I have some dried thyme as well. So we're going to pop them into a dry pan and we're going to toast them lightly just for a few minutes, about 3 or 4 minutes. Now we have the spices. They're starting to smoke a little bit and you can get a lovely smell from them. We'll pop them in the food processor and we're going to pop on our sesame seeds. They will take less time, just for maybe a minute. So here we have the hazelnuts. They have been in the oven for about 8 minutes. You're going to take out a clean tea towel and put your hazelnuts on. Then you gather it all together in a bowl like this and you rub it all together. This is how you're going to get the skins off the hazelnuts. The friction of all the nuts rubbing together will help. A few little skins is all right. And then you're going to pop this into the food processor. So we have our roasted hazelnuts, all of our spices, and now our black and white sesame seeds into the food processor. We're just going to pulse it up a little bit to mix it together and to coarsely chop the nuts. So here you have your dukkah. I like it quite coarsely chopped, and I would pop it into a jar like this, and I just leave it beside the hob. And anytime I have some steamed greens or a salad, or I just want a little tasty snack or nutrients to add, I will use the dukkah. Thanks for watching today's kitchen skills video on how to make dukkah using hazelnuts. Please like and leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Why not check out my other videos, skills like how to chop an onion or making tasty salsa. Thanks a million, we'll see you soon.